What is vertical indoor farming, and how might it change the world? Vertical indoor farming is the practice of producing food in a large indoor space, usually in vertically stacked layers where the climate and conditions can be carefully controlled to optimize production. Vertical farms are based on a modular system. Each module consists of a tray with several different layers. The first layer is a solution chamber, where the roots of the plant can dangle into the solution, which contains all the essential minerals, vitamins, nutrients, along with water needed for the growth of the plant. Next is a reusable cloth fabric separator, which acts as the soil, where the seedlings can start growth from. Springing up from this are the leafy green shoots. And lastly is the light source, which acts as the sun and provides energy so the plants can photosynthesize and grow. These modules are then stacked vertically into large shelving columns to maximize space efficiency. Adequate ventilation is then added, and a vertical farm is created. To better understand the space efficiency, let's look at an example. The City of London is 2.9 million square meters. If we were to turn this into a field of wheat, this could be vertically stacked into an indoor farm of the size of 2.5 of London's tallest skyscraper, the Shard. This extraordinary feat would cover a mere 5,000 square meters and would be a 580% reduction in land resource. There are 6 benefits of vertical farming. Firstly, the inefficiencies of traditional farming are reduced, as it uses 95% less water, improving water conservation, while simultaneously cutting growing cycle time in half. No pesticides or fertilizers are used in the growth, meaning the produce is 100% organic. Eutrophication, which is a harmful environmental byproduct of traditional farming causing algae blooms in lakes destroying entire ecosystems, is eliminated. Transportation of produce can also be drastically reduced, as vertical farms can grow crops all year round in any given location. As a result, carbon emissions of long overhaul flights around the world are also reduced. Vertical farming modules can easily integrate autonomy and robotics with the use of simple conveyor systems to harvest the crops. This would eliminate much of the manual labour of traditional farming. This technology also has the potential to be 100% sustainable if the energy for the growing system is derived from a renewable resource. Finally, considering 1/3 of our arable land has been degraded in the last 40 years, and more land is becoming water stressed due to climate change, vertical indoor farming is an ideal alternative method, as the system lowers the need for large amounts of green space and other resources to be used for agriculture, and also helps to increase reforestation. Looking into the future, vertical farming could be used to grow fresh produce in the most difficult and unimaginable places, such as in space for our astronauts on long expeditions, or even to help colonize Mars in the not too distant future. But most importantly, it solves the problem of our ever-growing urban population. The world is going to have 10 billion people by 2050. How can we feed them all in a sustainable, efficient, and cost-effective manner? By farming upwards rather than outwards. Thank you very much for watching. All the feedback would be greatly appreciated, so please leave a comment below. Like and subscribe. Ciao ciao.